Good morning students. Standard 5th. Now we are going to do with Unit 11 Geometry. Point, line, line segment, rays and angle. Now see what is point. A point, it has only position. The tip of a pin or a needle is an example of a point. See a point over here. A point. Here the name has given A. So we will call it as a point A. Then second one is line. A line has no ends. A line extends to the both side. Okay. Now this is the line. On both sides arrows are given. Okay. Both the side arrows are given. So it means it can be extended from both the side. It is called as line. Name has given PQ. Now see, how do we read as? Line PQ or line QP also. Write as PQ and QP. At the top, we are giving both the side arrows. A line which has both the side arrow in this way symbol we can put it at the up. And read as line L. L also. We can give a name, only one name to it, L. Next, a line segment is a part of a line. It has two end points. Now see, DE, this is a line segment. Why do we call it as a line segment? It does not have arrows at the board. Means it will not extend from any side. It has a fixed places, that is DE. Okay, so how do we read and write as? Line segment D or line segment ED. DEED. Now how do we write as segment? SEG. It's a short form of segment. So we called it as a segment only. Segment DE or segment ED. Or we can write it as a DE or ED. At the top we have to put only a line to show that it's a segment. It's a symbol of line segment. Next, a ray has a one end point. It can be extended only in one direction. Read as, see, this is a ray. X, Y. And at only one side there is a arrow. It means it extends only in a one direction. That's why it's called as a arrow. So, ray. Ray XY. We called it as a ray XY. It starts from the end point. What's the end point? X. So we'll call it as a ray XY. And write as XY, and at the top we are giving a ray. Now fifth is, when two rays share a common end, an angle is formed. Read as RPQ. Now see, here there is a triangle. Angle RPQ. Okay, two rays. This is the one ray and this is the second ray. So it shares a common point and it becomes a angle over here. So how do we write it? Angle RPQ, or we can write angle QPR. Okay. Now, how do we write it? Angle. This is the sign of angle. Okay. This is the sign of angle. So we can write angle RPQ or angle QPR or RPQ. So P, at the top of the P there is one figure is drawn. That can also be drawn. Why this is drawn on the P only? Because P is the common point which is shared by the two arrows. Got it, children? Okay, now let's see the exercise. Identify the following figure, name them, write them symbolically. Now point A. Here names were not given, so we have given a names to it. Point is there, so I gave it name A, capital A. So how do we write it? Point A. Then next, AB. What's it? What is it, children? It is a line. So name is given A and B to A, and how do we write it? Line AB or AB with the symbol. Then next, DE. Sorry, it's a PQ. So how do we write it? It's a segment, line segments. So how can we write it? Line segment PQ or PQ with the symbol. Then next, D. This is a arrow. It extends only from one side. So it's a ray. Okay. So how do we write? Ray XY or XY with the symbol. Here angle PQR. Only the points were given. We have given a names to it, and we will write it as an angle PQR. Angle PQR or angle PQR. Got it, children? Now next, draw and label each figure in your notebook. Now this question is only for you. Now here you have to draw segment TV. Here you have to draw a point K. Here you have to draw a line ST, and here you have to draw a ray MT. Here angle L, M and N. Got it, children? Now name the following figure in as many ways as possible. Okay. PQ figure is given. How many ways you can write? PQ or QP. I wrote it in that sense, in the way. Here second we go RST angle. RST or angle TSR. I wrote it 2 times. Now here a ray is given with the points ABC. So how can we write AB, BC or AC? Got it? Now write 12 names for this lines. This line is given. Now you have to make a 12 names from it. This is a line extended from the both sides, means definite points are in between this line. So write it RX, XY, YX, YS, XR, SY, RS, RY, SR, SX, XS and YR. Got it, children? In this way, arrows you have to put for the line. Okay. You can write line RX also. Otherwise, you can write RX and give a symbol at the top. In this way, you have to write the 12 ways of this line. Now the next exercise, write the capital letters that are formed by line segment. Okay. Now 2 line segment. So any capital letters you take, you just imagine one figure in your mind, give a names, and that names you have to write over here. Okay. PQ, QR, ST and TUR. I wrote my way. Okay. You can write your capital letters also. Okay, now 3 line segment. Now 3 line segments. So 3 line segment is which one it is? It's a triangle. So angle, it forms a triangle. Wherever the triangles are there, it forms a angle. So we can write angle ABC, angle PQR, angle RPQ, angle MNO, angle LMN or angle OPQ, angle RST and angle DEF. Now 4 line segments. Now 4 line segments means square, parallelogram or etc. So here we are taking a square. Okay. So we can write square PQRS, square ABCD, square LMNP. So in this way, whole this exercise you have to solve and write in your textbook. Thank you.